Hello, it's Nancy today. Well, I'm going to show you how I did something. I'm going to do it again. Okay, now this over here, remember I told you about this mirror? It is on a cupboard door which is hanging by fishing wire to an existing screw that was in the wall for something else. See, and it shows me out the window from my chair. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly how I did that now. Okay, first thing I did was I got these mirrors. Got them from the dump. It's hard to see what's a mirror. Okay, and I have these cupboard doors. They have ice on them. Probably be a smart thing to let them thaw before using them. Okay. Just get the ice off of them, that's all. If they were living outside in a snowy day, okay, so I'm going to put it on this side. Oh, a little bit of ice there. Okay. So what I shall now do, this is premium rubberized rocker guard. And it's resist chipping, it's soundproof and insulates. Optimum rubber content. It's also sticky. And if there's any problems with the mirror, it'll make the black happen again. Okay, and then this is the part where you really don't want to get it on yourself. Okay, here we go. It smells quite like rubber cement. Oops, I messed it up. I think it's nail polish in there. can see that this is not the perfect way to do this. You know, like you might even prefer something traditional like glue. But I do believe acetone or nail polish remover. Oh! We'll clean it up for you. There. Make sure you're wearing your junky clothes, of course. You know, and just follow my example. And you'll know exactly how not to do it. Okay, see what we did? We made a big mess. You could do this at home too. Bye.